So friends, this is my net touch based channel here, and I'm continuing this my computer network series here. And what is a network? What is a computer of working in internet systems? So watch my first video, basic of know before learn about your network computer systems. So what is a network? I'm already created this video. What is the network history of a computer? And I'm already created this video and watch one by one part wise video, and my last previous video network diagram. So you can see just here this is a one type of network diagram, and how this basic structure of your network system. So I'm continue this next topic on these network systems here. So next is some topology systems here. So what is a topology? First understand. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
it, and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64 bit? What is a 32 bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time
so
I'm
friends, this is a my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So from this is a topology technology note, but this is topology topic of your network systems. This is a very important. So why this and what is network of topology? So first understand these systems here. A topological space is set into it with a structure called a topology. So this is a simple of thing systems here. A topological space is a set into it with structure, that is a topology. How your setting and how your systems is set up in one computer to other computer, that is structure is called topology. And you can see just here I will give more information about topology, which allows defining continuous deformation of subspace, and more generally all kinds of continuity. So this is allows defining how you continue your connected your one computer to another computer. That is a structure created, and different area wise, different systems wise, we are one type of map, one type of structure that called topology. uh, Euclidean space and more generally metric spaces are example of topological space, as any distance or metric defines a topology. So network topology, this topic very important for you, and I'm continuing this on topology video. Deformation that are considered in topology without map, without your any idea, you cannot create and you cannot develop any field side, any just like a builder and some engineers first create a blueprint and understand how create these buildings and some hotel blueprints. That is a blueprint. It is a topology. So computer network inside, you connect one computer to another computer. That is called topology. A property that is invariant under such as deformation is a topological property. So you are create one of systems. You are setup of your computer and other computer. Two computer you have, and you connect one computer to other computer by cable. So that is a point to point topology. That is a topology means how connect with connection and transfer your data and mapping. So that is called topology. Basic example of topological properties are the dimension, which allows distinguishing between a line and a surface. Compasses, which allow distinguishing between a line and circle. Connected less, that is simple of a thing. Your single computer, one computer, you are not connect your internet, not connect your systems with your other technology sites. Means you are not using in internet systems, you are not using your computer any network, any field site. In this generation you are connect uh, hotspot, you are connect Wi-Fi, you connect broadband, you are connect mobile through hotspot, and lot of available different type of connections connect to internet. But I'm not calling this time internet, I'm just showing only network. So network is very large of thing, very large of a network. Lot of topology available in network systems. So this is a which allows distinguishing a circle from two non-intersecting circle. So you can see the from two non-intersecting circles. Lot of people computer using and other systems using other devices. So you can see just here this computer connect this computer, yeah, okay, this computer connect their side, and this computer can connect lot of computer connect one through, okay. So that is the cables, okay, that called cables, and these are completely structure means topology, okay. The ideas underlying topology go back to Gottfried Leibniz. So this is one type of your ideas topology who in the 17th century invented the geometric cities and analysis cities. So this is 17th century first start of geometric cities and analytic cities. Leon had Ewell Seven's Bridge of Königsberg problem and Poldren formula are arguably the field first theorems. So that is the one type of first you want to need map, first you want to need ideas, and first you create how these systems theory. So this is a one type of 17th century is these systems meeting geometric cities and analytic cities. The term topology was introduced by first of system 19th century John Benedict Listing. These scientists 19th century introduced topology systems. Although it was not until the first decade, but this not John first scientist. This is 17th century Gottfried Leibniz starting geometric cities and analytic cities. So the term topology was introduced by John Benedict Listing 19th century. Although it was not until the first decade of 20th century and that idea of a topological space was developed. So this is 17th century's idea, more space available developed systems here. So lot of people, lot of systems available point to point topology. So what is topology? Topology is one type of map how connect one type of computer. Topology is one type of your ideas how you connect one computer to other computer. Topology is one type of the geometrical cities and analytic cities depend on these theory based system. That means your connector, your connections, your wires, your any field side you are using one type of internet, lot of network other computer network sites. So that is created by topological system through. Okay. So you may be you understand maybe problem in this video. So watch again this my video. Very simple language. I'm clearly I'm showing and declare you. Okay. So topology different ways available in network systems here. Network technologies. So point to point topology. What is a point to point topology? Next video I'll continue. Okay. Second is point to multiple topology. Okay, so topology the subject is clear. So one by one this automatically you understand in your mind. Okay, so this is one type of topological space is a set of invert. Okay, its structure. Topology means understand structure. Okay, so point to point multi-point topology. Third is very interesting bus topology. So this is a bus topology. What is a bus topology? Why using bus topology systems? And ring topology. This is a fourth, and five is mesh topology. 6 is star topology. 7 is hybrid topology, and 8 is tree topology. So this is a 9 type of topology. Sorry, this is a 8 type topology. So what is a topology? You are understand. So one by one automatically you are watching my video, automatically you understand this is a systems of topology. Okay, so you can see just this is a one type of showing these topology systems. What is a topology? What is a you are okay. So this is a topology. A topological space is inward. You are invention in you are create structure. It's called topology. Okay. So point to point topology I will continue next time video. Okay, and start what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage all of topology. Okay, and some problems. So latest technology, latest topology in this time using only three type topology. First star topology, hybrid entry topology. Okay, so some side point to point topology using a. Okay, so I will continue this video next time. Okay, and start point to point topology. What is a point to point topology and why using point to point topology? Okay, so I will continue next time. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and you have any problem, any question, so comment me and I will give you answer. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. I will continue this video point to point topology and this start point topology subject in the network series. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.